On October 28, 2025, Rio de Janeiro witnessed a day of extreme tension and a security operation of historic proportions, known as Operation Containment, Operação Contenção. This day marked the climax of intelligence planning against the expansion of a far-reaching criminal organization, concentrating a force of approximately 2,500 civil and military police agents. The massive mobilization focused on the Alemão and Penha Complexos, strategic areas for the organization's logistics. The technical and military apparatus involved was impressive. 32 police-owned armored vehicles, helicopters, and extensive drone usage were activated for tactical support and monitoring. The central objective was to fulfill around 100 arrest warrants against criminal leaders and dismantle the flow of high-caliber weaponry and illicit materials. It is crucial to understand the logistical context of the operation. Rio de Janeiro, Governor Claudio Castro claimed the state acted independently due to a lack of federal support. He publicly stated that he had previously requested the loan of armored vehicles from the armed forces 3 times, but all requests were denied. The denial was based on the premise that transferring the vehicles and their operators would require a presidential decree for a law and order guarantee, GLO operation. This rejection led the governor to categorize the action as a defense operation, demanding greater national integration and explaining why he did not formally request federal assistance for containment itself. Shortly before dawn, troops initiated their advance into the communities. The resistance from the criminal forces was immediate and organized, swiftly transforming the complexes into a scene of high-intensity conflict. Security sources indicated that criminals used warfare weaponry and aggressive tactics, including unconventional devices launched by drones against the police teams. The police agents, complying with judicial determination, utilized body cameras during the incursion. The scale of the confrontation spilled beyond the communities. In a coordinated retaliation tactic, the criminal group paralyzed several areas of the city. Multiple incidents of vandalism and road disruption were recorded. Buses and cargo trucks were set on fire, and burning barricades blocked vital arterial routes such as Linha Amarela and stretches of Avenida Brasil. The municipality entered alert stage 2, resulting in the suspension of classes and the partial collapse of public transport, impacting thousands of commuting citizens. By the end of the day, the toll of Operation Containment generated significant national outcry. The state government confirmed a high number of fatalities among both the individuals involved in the confrontations.